All right, team, we are doing our last day of graphs for the week. So this one has a title today. It says, What People Ate for Lunch. So by looking at this graph, I can tell what people had the most for lunch and what they had the least for lunch. And then this is telling us that each sandwich, banana, and soup stands for one person. Sometimes each symbol on the graph might stand for more than one thing, and you might have seen that in your dream box. So question number 1, how many people ate a sandwich? So look up here under sandwich and think about your answer. Good, did you get 5? Nice work. Question number 2, how many people ate soup? What did you decide? Good, the answer is 3. So number 3 says, which food was the least popular? That means the thing that they liked the least. What was it? Soup. Very good. And then number 4 says, which was the most popular? Some of you might have said sandwich because it seems like sandwich goes all the way to the end of the graph. But if you look, how many sandwiches are there? There's 5, but how many bananas? There's 7 bananas. So actually, which one was the most popular? Yep, it was the fruit. Good. So number 5 says, how many people ate fruit and soup? So how are we going to find? Remember yesterday when I said, you see the word and, that means you're going to do an addition problem. So we need to count the amount of fruit plus the amount of soup. So we said that there were 7 fruits and 3 soups. And that sounds like 10 friends. So how many? 10. Very good. Now this one says how many more people ate a fruit than a sandwich. So that's my math word to let me know that I'm going to subtract. So how many people ate fruit? 7. How many people ate a sandwich? Good. So 7 minus 5. I'll give you a second to find that answer. Okay, what is it? It's 2. Nice job, team. You did a really good job. Let's turn it over onto the back. I want you to practice more of your rocket math, which I know you love. It just helps you become better and better at doing your M-comps, and it'll help you be quicker at doing math problems when you're studying different math concepts. So good work today, boys and girls. You did awesome.